Your brand looks unprofessional and it's costing you money. People decide in 50 milliseconds if they trust your business, and if your brand design is off, they're gone. If you're making any of these 3 design mistakes, your brand isn't just forgettable, it's repelling customers. Let's fix that. So bad brand design equals lost sales. 90% of first impressions come from your visuals. If your brand looks amateur, people assume your business is too. Consistent branding increases revenue by 23%. If your logo, colors, or fonts are all over the place, you're leaving money on the table. I've seen a good amount of brands that were great brands. They provided great services, but because their branding and visuals didn't look good, people didn't trust them, and they were clicking on their website and then going away to somebody else just because they didn't look as professional as the other person. So it's something that's serious and that you should really look into. Here are the 3 brand design mistakes that are ruining your business. If you're making any of these, people aren't taking you seriously. Number 1, your logo is doing too much. If your logo is too detailed, nobody remembers it. If it's too many colors, it looks cheap. If it looks bad in small sizes, it's useless. Fact, simple logos get recognized 13% faster than complex ones. If your logo looks like a tattoo sleeve, it's time for a new logo. 2, your colors are confusing or just ugly. Using random colors makes you look unprofessional. Too many colors equals messy and forgettable. Changing colors constantly, no one remembers your brand. Stat check, 80% of consumers say color increases brand recognition. If your brand looks like a glow stick factory exploded, it's time for a new palette. Number 3, you're using the wrong fonts. Stop it. Unreadable fonts equals people scroll past you. Too many fonts looks unprofessional. Comic Sans, delete it now. Here's another stat. 48% of users leave a website instantly if the typography is bad. So not everyone is a graphic designer. Not everybody knows about typography, but we all can kind of sort of tell. If somebody comes to your website, they can tell if the font is not good. You know, even without any graphic design experience, just because we see what the professionals are doing, we see what the big brands are doing, and we see what fonts they're using. So if you're using Comic Sans on your website and it looks like Comic Sans, then people are going to notice and they're probably not going to take you seriously. In part 3, let's talk about how to fix it fast. So 1, use a clean, simple logo. Think Nike, Apple, Target. Number 2, pick 3 to 5 brand colors and stick to them. No more color chaos. And number 3, use 2 fonts max, maybe 3 sometimes. 1 for headlines, 1 for subtitles, and 1 for body text. Fact, clear, consistent branding makes people 3 times more likely to trust you, and trust equals sales. I've had the opportunity to sort of fix logos in the past and rebrand companies, and really they had the bare bones there, and I just had to readjust things to make things more readable, make it look more clean and professional, and that made a big difference in their companies. Your brand's design could be making or breaking your business. Fix it and watch how fast people start taking you seriously. Drop this emoji in the comments if you made any of these mistakes, and send me a message with design if you're ready to fix your brand fast. All right, guys, that was it for this video. Subscribe, like, and follow on wherever you're seeing this video, and I will see you guys on the next one.